Imagine this. You've just invested in a sleek new IP phone, excited to experience its advanced features and crystal-clear audio quality. But then a nagging doubt creeps in. Will it work with your Ooma system? Today, we're diving deep into that question. Can you use any IP phone with Ooma? Let's find out. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly recap what Ooma and IP phones are. Ooma is a popular VoIP service that lets you make and receive calls over the internet. IP phones, on the other hand, are specially designed devices that connect directly to your internet router. The beauty of Ooma is its flexibility. It can work with a variety of devices, including traditional landline phones, smartphones, and IP phones. Addressing the main question. Now, let's tackle the burning question. Can you use any IP phone with Ooma? The short answer is not necessarily. While Ooma is compatible with many IP phones, there are a few factors to consider. Compatibility standards. IP phones adhere to different standards, like SIP, Session Initiation Protocol. Ooma primarily supports SIP-based phones. If your IP phone isn't SIP compatible, it might not work with Ooma. Ooma's supported phone list. Ooma maintains a list of officially supported IP phones. This list is regularly updated, so it's always a good idea to check it before making a purchase. If your phone is on the list, you can be confident that it's compatible. Manufacturer compatibility. Some IP phone manufacturers have specific partnerships with Ooma, ensuring seamless integration. If your phone is from a manufacturer that has a partnership with Ooma, it's more likely to be compatible. Choosing the right IP phone. If you're looking to purchase a new IP phone for your Ooma system, here are some tips. Check Ooma's supported phone list. This is the most reliable way to ensure compatibility. Look for SIP-based phones. SIP is the standard protocol for IP phones, so make sure your chosen model supports it. Consider manufacturer partnerships. If your preferred manufacturer has a partnership with Ooma, it's a good sign. Read reviews and customer feedback. Online reviews can provide valuable insights into the compatibility and performance of different IP phones. Troubleshooting compatibility issues. Even if your IP phone is theoretically compatible, you might encounter some issues. Here are a few troubleshooting tips. Check your Ooma account settings. Ensure that your Ooma account is configured correctly for IP phones. Verify the IP phone settings. Make sure the IP phone is set up to use Ooma's DNS servers and other relevant settings. Try a factory reset. If you're still having problems, try resetting your IP phone to its factory defaults. Additional considerations. Beyond compatibility, there are other factors to consider when choosing an IP phone. Features. Different IP phones offer varying features, such as call recording, voicemail, and advanced call routing. Choose a phone that meets your specific needs. Quality. Look for a phone with good audio quality and a reliable connection. Budget. IP phones come in a wide range of prices. Set a budget and choose a phone that fits within it. So, can you use any IP phone with Ooma? The answer is it depends. While Ooma is compatible with many IP phones, there are factors like compatibility standards, Ooma's supported phone list, and manufacturer partnerships to consider. By following the tips we've discussed, you can increase your chances of finding a compatible IP phone that enhances your Ooma experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.